In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists. Slack is a powerful tool for keeping teams connected and organized, and with the lists feature, you can easily manage tasks and projects with your team. Let's dive right in to see how you can make the most of this feature. First, open Slack. You'll find lists conveniently located in the sidebar. Once you're there, you're going to want to create a new list, and this is really simple. Just look for the plus button, or a button that says Create a List, and give it a click. Now you have the option to choose a template or start fresh with a blank list. If you're new to lists, it might be helpful to explore the templates available, as they can provide ideas on how to structure your list. However, starting with a blank list allows you a bit more freedom to tailor it exactly to your needs. Next up, it's time to name your list. This is a crucial step, as a clear and descriptive name helps everyone instantly know the contents and purpose of the list. For instance, you might name your list Marketing Tasks if you're organizing assignments for your marketing team. Now that your list is established, we can begin populating it with tasks. Adding items to your list is straightforward. For each task or piece of work, add a new item. This is where lists shine, enabling you to keep all your team's tasks organized in one place. Let's say, for example, you want to add a task for creating social media graphics. Assign this task to Alex, set the due date for August 12th, and mark its status as in progress. Continuing with this method, you can add tasks such as writing a blog post, which can be assigned to Sarah with the due date of August 14th and status as not started. Or perhaps you want to track a task for reviewing a campaign completed by Mike due August 16th, simply marking it as done. Depending on the level of detail you need, you have the option to add additional fields to each item on your list. This customization is particularly useful when you're tracking more specific elements of a project or task. Now that you've added your tasks, it's essential to assign them to the appropriate teammates. To do this, open the list item you wish to assign. Locate the assignee field and select the teammate responsible for the task. Once assigned, the person can immediately see the task in all its details, streamlining communication and responsibility without generating additional messages or emails. Using Slack lists can significantly improve how your team collaborates and handles projects. By efficiently organizing tasks, assigning responsibilities, and keeping everyone informed, you'll find your team's productivity can reach new heights. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll soon be a Slack lists expert. Thank you for watching and see you next time.